Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This makeup look is gonna be up on my YouTube very soon. Anyway, so for today's video I'm doing another clothing haul. So this clothing haul is gonna be a little bit more luxe evening wear, and I haven't done a video trying on anything like elegant. So for this video I will be doing a House of CB clothing haul. For those that don't know what House of CB is, it's basically like a UK online shop. Their type of clothes are more evening wear, but let me just tell you this, the quality and how they look on your body is amazing. You guys are going to be so shook at everything that I picked out, because 10 out of 10. Literally 10 out of 10, even though it is a little bit on the pricier side, 100% worth it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So the first two pieces I picked up was this set. You can buy these separately so they don't come together. I was really like skeptical buying something like this, because usually when I buy like tight pants, they're not very flattering on my body, but I was so surprised when I tried these on because they are definitely very flattering. I got these in a size medium. So that's what they look like from the side, and I'll show you guys what the bottom half looks like, but they're basically just like flared out, sort of tight. It's kind of like, it's hard to explain the material. It's like knitted, but it's not. It's like halfway between like a knitted fabric, but it's like very flattering. And the top I got in a small just to hold my boobies in. Once again, the same color and material and very flattering. I love the cut here, and it's just so comfortable. So these are what the pants look like from the waist down. I'm wearing some boots by House of CB too, which I'll show you guys. But yeah, they're just like flowy, long trouser pants, and I just think they look really cute together. So once again, this isn't something that I would typically pick out, but I don't know, it just looked really gorgeous and flattering on the model, and I really like it. I just need to find somewhere to wear this to. But these are the first two items that I picked up. Okay, so the next top I picked up is one of my favorites. So this is like a really thin silky material. It gathers at your wrist. Again, it's like in between classy and casual. Obviously you could wear this out. I love the off the shoulder tops at the moment, and it like just, I don't know, it just grabs your boobs in the right place and makes them look really good. So this one I picked up in a size medium just because I thought the small would be a little bit too restricting on my boobs, but this top is honestly like so classy. I think this top is just so classy, and again, as I said previously, all these clothes just are like made really well. Like they feel like very good quality. So yeah, it does hold and support your boobies if you didn't want to wear a bra, but obviously you could wear a strapless bra as well. If you wanted to wear a higher waisted jeans or skirt or even pants like this, you could. I probably wouldn't wear it with these pants. I just think they look a little bit funny, but I would definitely wear this with maybe like a black high-waisted skirt, or maybe even like a white skirt. But yeah, this, I don't know, there's just something about this top that just makes this area of my body look really good. But yeah, I love this. Love. So next top I picked up was this long sleeve, very thick and flattering material crop white top. It does up at the back like this. I love this. I've been on the hunt to find like a good quality cropped long sleeve top like this for ages, but I just haven't been able to find material like this. It's really it's really hard to explain, but it's stretchy, but it's very thick, so not see-through at all. I did get a size medium in this, and it is quite tight around my arm, so just be wary of that if you're normally like a size medium. Like I thought it'd be a little bit looser, but yeah, just be mindful of that. It is quite a tight, like tightly fitted top, but I think these look really cute with these trouser pants. Like really cute. I would definitely wear this as an outfit. Okay, so the next top I picked up, I did pair it with just like a triangle bikini underneath, otherwise it would be a little bit inappropriate for YouTube, but I've been so obsessed with this crochet style, like long sleeve tops recently, and let me just say that this is like one of my favorites that I have of the crochet tops, because I have quite a few and they're like more of a cotton material, whereas this one is like a silky knitted material. It's so hard to explain. When I wore this top on one of my Instagram photos, I got so many compliments on it. So this is the top. It is in a size medium. I personally would wear this obviously over the top of like a bralette or a bikini. I would pair these with like matching crochet pants, which I'm pretty sure they have. I think this outfit looks really cute as well with the brown high-waisted shorts, but obviously you could wear like a cute little denim skirt, some denim shorts, if you wanted to go to the beach, go to lunch. I don't know, I just think it's just really, really cute, and I just love how stuff like this is on trend, because I am digging it. So yeah, that's the third top I picked up. I've got two amazing dresses to show you guys. I'm not really much of a dress person. Like I would normally, like if I was to go out, I would wear like a bodysuit and a skirt, or bodysuit and pants. But these dresses, I literally was like, wow, like amazing. So I'm gonna show you them now. Oh my God. So there you have it. Me in a tight Bodycon bandage dress. I honestly never thought I would see the day, because as I said before, I'm not really much of a dress person, but when I tried these on, I was like, wow. Like it's a thick, flattering material that like sucks in all of your unwanted stuff around here. And oh, I should probably pull it down a little bit. And from the back, it just has one massive zipper. But the color of this is like, it's like an off-white, like a creamy sort of color. I love this little pattern on the boob area, and I love the straps. Like it's so, so comfortable. I just need to find a place to wear this. But yeah, this dress is literally going to be my go-to whenever I have something fancy on. So yeah, this dress, absolutely, like honestly one of like the most amazing dresses I've ever put on. I'm also wearing some really, really cute boots as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So I also picked up these boots, and to be honest, they are literally the comfiest boots I've ever tried. And I don't do well with heels. So obviously you could wear these with literally any outfit, because they're just like a really pretty like natural nude color. But yeah, when I saw these on the website, I was like, I need these in my life. So yeah, I picked these ones up. So last but not least, I got the most gorgeous silk dress. There's heaps of different ways you can style it, but I personally like to style it like crossed over, like up here, if you guys can see. Yeah, I personally like it crossed over like that, but you can wear it a different way if you want. But oh my God, like I've always wanted a silk dress. And of course you can like dress it up and put a belt. I do have my Gucci belt here, but it could look a little bit bulky. I'll just try it on anyways and see what it looks like. Or even like one of those chain belts, that would look really cute. So that's what it looks like with a belt. I actually think I like this with the belt. I don't know, what do you guys think? Belt or no belt? But this is so classy. I will zoom you guys down so you can see the length of it. So this is the length of the dress. So it basically just like hugs you here and then just like tapers out. I'm wearing the boots with it and I think they look really cute. But yeah, I literally don't have anything classy like this. Like as I said before, I'm such a bodysuit and skirt type of gal. I got this in a size medium because I didn't want it to be skin tight. But yeah, I literally have no words for this dress. Like honestly, no words at all. So that is everything that I picked up from House of CB. Honestly, I love every single piece that I picked up. It's definitely something a little bit more different, not really my usual style because I never really wear evening wear, but I love absolutely everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Yes, I did.